Welcome back to the channel, guys. Merry Christmas, happy holidays, happy Festivus, whatever it is you celebrate. Enjoy this time of year. With that said, we're gonna close out the video. This is the last video of 2021. We got just some awesome drone footage. We're gonna end it with that. A bunch of different hikes and places I've traveled to this year. It was really fun to put together. The only things I wanna say quickly before I just jump into that is I want to just take the time to acknowledge two big changes that happened to this channel this year, both for the better. The first is we transitioned from a more cinematic 1080p Sony camera look to the GoPro for everything. My dog is notorious for moving my cameras up. We transitioned to the GoPro for just about everything. It streamlined editing, made the process way more efficient, 4K video, and it just made a lot more sense with trail guides and all that stuff to have the GoPro footage. And the second thing is that we introduced the drone, and the drone footage to me just provides such an awesome point of view. A lot of these hikes, it's nice to finish, get to where I'm going to, and then fly the drone and just get that panorama view. It's been awesome to be able to share that with you guys as well. Those are two big changes that have happened to this channel this year that I've really enjoyed. I think it's kind of leveled up the video editing and just everything you see, and I hope you see it that way as well. We've had a lot of really great videos this year, whether it be the trail guides or really your favorites and my favorites have been the travel videos, whether that be the ski montage and snow photography I did early on this year, then going back to Mammoth later in the year, to the Sequoia vlogs that I did with Young and Kayla, to visiting Idyllwild. I mean, these have just been awesome videos. I've really enjoyed making them. If you've been watching, commenting, whatever it is, really appreciate you guys. I committed to doing one video a week this year, and I did it. I really did it. I think I took a couple of holidays off, but for the most part, there's been a video every single week of 2021. Thanks again for sticking around, and I'll see you next year.